Hi everyone, I am Dr. S. Edupudi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. I welcome you all in my lecture video series, the topic of IC engines and the petrol engine, working principle of the petrol engine. Let us see what is petrol engine and how it works. So let's recall. So what are the functions of petrol engine? Before that, why we need engines? For transporting, mostly used the two-wheelers are working in petrol engine concept. So the petrol engine is the one of the engine. It is used for mostly the people traveling from one place to another place, and we are fixing one structure, the engine that is called vehicles. So the petrol engines, how it works and what are the parts included, let's see. So first the petrol engine has a combustion chamber inside the piston. Then the piston is connected with the crankshaft. The crankshaft is and piston both are connected by connecting rod. In combustion chamber top end, there is a two valve ports. One is inlet valve and another one is exhaust valve or outlet valve. In between two valves, there is a spark plug is fixed in a center position of the cylinder head. So how it works? Before the piston inside the vacuum is created, so the inlet valve open, the air fuel mixer that is mixed with the area that is called carburetor. The carburetor is mixed fuel that is called petrol and atmospheric air in the ratio of 1:16, mix and send to the inlet port through inlet port to combustion chamber. So this press the piston inside the chamber, so the pressure will going down. So the piston going down, the inlet valve is closed and already outlet valve is in closed position. So the spark plug is ignited by using a batteries. So the spark plug ignite a spark inside the combustion chamber. The air fuel mixture is explode. So the enormous heat is generated. So this heat will be operate the piston from top end to bottom side, bottom to top end. So in that time, the outlet port is opened, inlet port is closed. The burned gas is sent through outlet valve to the silencer. So the piston movement from bottom end to top end, that is called one stroke. This each one stroke get one power stroke. So the connected with the crankshaft, the each one stroke linear movement of piston is converted into rotary movement of the crankshaft. So the crankshaft is connected with the propellers or engine wheel drivers. So the wheel will be driven by crankshaft. So this is the common basic of petrol engine working principles. So the what are the parts inside the engine is first one is cylinder block and inside piston. The piston is connected with connecting rod. The connecting rod other end is connected with crankshaft and two valves and one spark plug. This is one combustion chamber in petrol engine. Let us see other parts. So the working principle already I told. So this is the schematic diagram for working principle of petrol engines. So the pods, valves and spark plug, everything is shown in clearly. So this is the picture shows gasoline engine. This operates internal combustion of petrol with the engine cylinders. So the main concept is the chemical energy of petrol is converted into mechanical energy. This is the basic concept of the engines. So there are multiple applications in petrol engines. So the picture shows so many equipments operated by the petrol engines. Small generators and water pumps and milking machines, drillers and chaff cutters, boat engines, marine boat engines and construction areas. So these are all the working with the petrol engines. So in petrol engine, we have two types. One is two-stroke and another one is four-stroke. In two-stroke engine, we are using spark plugs and each stroke get one power stroke. But in four-stroke engines, we are using the fuel injectors. So the injector will be blast the fuel inside the combustion chamber. So the piston will be getting two two strokes get the one power strokes. So this is the main difference between two-stroke and four-stroke. One is spark plug and fuel injector, and each stroke get power getting two-stroke engines. Two strokes get one power stroke from four-stroke engines. So this is the four-stroke engine components. The camshaft will be operating the valves, which time the inlet valve open and when the outlet valve will be open and when the two valves are in closed. So these all are managed by the camshafts. So this diagram shows the main components. So this is difference between petrol and diesel engines. So the different fire points in diesel and petrol engines. The fire point is very high in petrol engine but low in diesel engines. So but the torque wise we compared, diesel is more efficiency in petrol engines. But in the chilled areas, it means the cool places we are using petrol engine is better, and the mileage is petrol engine comparatively less than the diesel engines, and the maintenance is petrol engine is low, the diesel engine is high maintenance. So these are all some classification from petrol engine to diesel engine. Thank you.